Welcome to the next video where I'm going to be reviewing your Redbubble stores. The last one was really successful and I just thought I would continue doing these. So again, don't worry if I haven't got to your store yet. I've got a whole massive list of stores from when I did my sticker video, and when I run out of those stores, I will ask for more stores. But until then, I've got plenty to go on with, and I'm going to be talking about banners, I'm going to be talking about your name, I'm going to be talking about your designs, your collections, the whole lot. I'm going to try and get through maybe 5 stores in today's episode, and I want to get straight into it, but I have one favor to ask before I dive into this video, and that is please smash, annihilate, destroy, hit that like button, because it does wonders for the YouTube algorithm, and it's just a really nice thing to do. So yeah, why not? And let's get started with this video. Okay, we're going to start with Soft Like Satin. It's a very cute name, that is. Let's have a look. I like your cover art. It's got a nice gradient to it. I like the word, the name. It's got a good font. I'm not such a fan of the repeating flower. I feel like that could go, and maybe you can change it a bit or something. You've got 68 designs. Your name is Soft Like Satin as well. It's a good thumbnail picture. I like that a lot. You've got feature collection being nursery. That is cool. Maybe. I mean, unless nursery is making most of your sales, change your feature collection for the meantime to Christmas. I feel like that makes the most sense. And then let's have a look at your collections. You've got nursery, babe design, Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and patterns. So maybe get rid of Halloween and potentially Thanksgiving at this point. Christmas should be way at the front because, you know, Christmas is now. Well, it might not be now anymore depending on when this video is released. However, it's now when I'm making this video. And in terms of designs, you've got good designs. I mean, they're good designs. Leg day, that's very, very funny. I like that a lot. I feel like your designs could be a bit better. Peace, love, pumpkin. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think that's going to get any sales. This is an important one. So with the mug, you can select which is your main picture when you're creating a design. When you're creating a product, you know, you can choose which is the main thumbnail. You want to change this because that, to me, this says I don't even know what the hell it says. I don't know what it says, but basically you want to change the main image because that's not readable. Okay, I mean it's very basic. You might want to do better with your titles. Full days art print. Ow, I just hit my foot. That really hurt. Full days art print. That could be better. Boss babe 2-pin. That could also be better. Clock works sticker could be. You could make your titles a bit better, and let's have a look at your actual tags and see what they're like, because I feel like they could also probably be better. You've got once upon a time, TikTok, pink and blue. Your tags can be better. Why? Your tags can be better. I'll leave it at that. Much better. So I would say for you going forward, before I move on to the next one, maybe change the cover a bit with these repeatable flowers. Maybe change up the feature collection, get rid of Halloween and Thanksgiving and move Christmas to the front maybe, and then try and have more SEO stuff going on with your SEO, search engine optimization, by the way, for your titles, your descriptions and your tags, to hopefully get them to sharpen the search results just a bit better. And let's move on to the next one. Mania Teak. That must mean something. I don't know what. Maybe it's something in Polish because it's from Poland. You're from Poland. I like that profile picture. It's quite creepy, but also very cool. The cover art, simple. It says your name. I mean, the question is, what's more important, for it to say your name or for it to show what you sell? Because at the moment, I'm looking at this and I have absolutely no idea what you sell. I need to scroll down, start looking, and then I'm like still trying to figure out what you sell. So maybe have one over here and one over here of your 2 most popular designs, or maybe your 2 best designs, or your most favorite designs, whatever they are, but maybe put them there and there because I don't really know what you're selling. You got collections. Very good. You've got horoscopes, surrealist art, animals, Christmas. Put Christmas way at the front. Again, I'm going to say this because it's Christmas, but as soon as Christmas is over, get them out of there. And then you got opulent. No, you don't. You've got occult. Okay. You've got astronomy, text-based, coffee. You've got 8 collections. Okay, so you've really whittled the collections down. That's really good. I like that. I like that a lot. In terms of your designs, your designs are pretty good actually. I can see what you're going with here. You're going with the, yep, I see what you're going with here. You should have a signs one, a horoscope. You do, okay, fine, okay, very good. That's cool. Well, I don't know what that is, but that's a really cool sticker. I like that. I wish I would have seen that when I bought my stickers. Gamer forever. You got a lot of designs here. I feel like colorful parrot classic t-shirt. You could do better. Arcade machine game forever. That's better. You know, that's a better title. Remember, you want your titles to be keyword rich, your tags to be keyword rich, but make sure they're relevant, and obviously your description to be keyword rich, because that will increase your chances of showing up. This is a great design. Surreal woman. I like that, but maybe get rid of retro girl. You don't need retro girl. The piece of artwork on its own is fantastic. If you drew this, excellent work, but you don't need to have retro girl. Get rid of that. You know? And you could probably come up with even a better thing than retro girl. You know, it's a tape in a brain. I'm sure you could think of a good pun or something that can go there. But I really like your surreal woman ones. They're really, really cool. I mean, if you've drawn these, then hats off to you, because this is an amazing, amazing piece of artwork. Really, really cool. I like this. So for you, your store, I would just say improvement wise, you know, maybe update your cover to have some of the designs on it. And other than that, that's pretty good. I mean, maybe a coffee, spell coffee right, firstly. You've spelled it right in the sticker, but you haven't spelled it right in the title. You want to try and keep your spelling consistent. And you want to try and increase your titles, make them a bit better. Let's move on to the next Yoga Palace shop. I like your cover art. It's good. I like that it says shop now. Call to action. That is brilliant. When we have a call to action, it gets people in the mood to go and shop, which is why I say, please smash, annihilate, hit that like button. That is a call to action. Let's see if we can get this video to 372 likes in the next 24 hours. Don't know why that number happened, but it happened. Anyways, you have 8 designs from October 2020. So you have just joined, but you could probably do more designs. These designs, though, are good. I like this. The only one that I'm not the biggest fan of is this one. It looks a bit odd. I don't know what's happening there with the woman and the dog. It's odd. This one, though, Namaste, is brilliant. I'm just here, you know, for this. That's also good. Good vibes only. Inhale, exhale. This is a brilliant design. It's so good. It's so creative. I like the yoga sticker. I bend so I don't break. Okay, that's very good as well. Not quite sure. Okay, it makes sense. You know, it's pretty good. And do yoga and enjoy life. So I see you're going for a very yoga theme, and obviously, you know, Yoga Palace. Now, you don't have any collections, but you're very new. So maybe try and do some yoga specific collections, like animal yoga, human yoga, yoga funny, yoga serious, yoga stretches, you know, and then those can be your collections. But keep it really yoga specific, and then people will come to your store because you are the yoga store. You are going to be the yoga store. So really, you know, dial down your yoga, your inner yoga, as they should say. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Anyways, inhale, exhale, yoga sticker. You might also want to put yin yang in there, because that's kind of what this is. You want to be a bit more descriptive with your titles. Anyways, moving on. This is a good shop. I would just say, you know, try and add some more. Maybe down the line I can come back to your store and have a look at it when it's got a few more designs in it. But make those collections, because they're going to really help you. Michael Murray shop. Cute and fun designs for everyone. Yay! Really good. Very descriptive. You know, the designs are clearly going to be cute. They're going to be fun. And guess what? They're for everyone. So very descriptive, very good. Michael Murray, simple your name. You know, you've got 81 designs. One thing I'm seeing right now, which I'm really liking, is your designs are big and bold, and I can see them. And if I can see them at this small, you know, when I'm walking past someone on the street wearing one of your designs, I'm going to be able to see it instantly. And that is what we want. We want people to be able to recognize what the design is and what it says straight away. And the fact that I can see it here goes to say a lot. I only care about anime and like maybe people. Okay, that's the only one I can't really see. Anime is my happy. Okay, so look, you've got a lot of anime stuff going on. Feature collection, anime and gaming. Okay. You got holidays. Maybe make holidays your feature collection for now. I've said this a lot to a few people, but look, if it's not Christmas anymore, then don't. But it might be. Who knows? You've got anime and gaming, holidays, funny, beer gifts, fitness, stickers, quarantine stickers, you should have a capital S. All the other ones do. I just noticed that straight away. Patterns, animal puns. Okay, brilliant. You've really dialed it down. I like this a lot. It's a shame that says mature content. I'm quite curious what it is. You've piqued my curiosity, Michael Murray. Display mature content. My eyes. So I'm just kidding. What have I done? I'm saving it. Okay. I don't know why that's considered mature, but whatever it is, besides the point. Anyways, moving on. I like this. Good day, mate. I like your designs. Mate, they're really, really good. Congrats. Really good. This one that I previously said, was just a complete rip-off from Placeit. I was wrong. It didn't say quarantine. It says something else. And so you have changed the word quarantine. So apologies for that. Anyways, moving on. The designs are good. And I mean, I feel like you can make that one's quite descriptive. Blue, yellow, and pink leopard print. To be honest, your titles are actually really good. I was going to say you could improve them, but looking at them in a bit more detail, they're really, really good. So well done. Very good titles going on. And in terms of tags, let's have a look at your tags. Funny, introvert, gift. Why don't you make, hold on, let me overthink this, and then put the funny, introvert, gift. I don't know if it stands, but I know with YouTube, the keywords that you put at the front of the title have the most weight in terms of ranking. So I don't know if it's the same for Redbubble. It might just be, general SEO practice. So maybe change them around, because hold on, let me overthink this is going to be a better keyword than funny, introvert, gift. Okay, what tags have you used here? Hold on, let me overthink this. Anxiety, funny, anxious, introvert, overthinker, quote, typography, hilarious, women thinking. Okay, you haven't over quoted. You could probably do a few more quotes, tags, I should say, that are more relevant. You haven't over tagged. But other than that, very good. Well done, mate. I'm liking your store. Let's move on to the last store of the video, and we've got 12 minutes, so it's good length video. Maya Moamen 99. Art is not what you see, it's what your soul feels. Okay, I like that cover art. It's really nice. It's really, really nice. I'm not a fan of the thumbnail. I feel like you could make a better thumbnail. I'm not a fan of the name. I feel like you can change your name. And again, you can change your name. You go into your account, you select, my display name should be my account name, and then you can choose your account name to be whatever you want. And it's just a way around it. I'm going to make a little 4-minute Friday video on it. But anyways, let's have a look at your designs. You've got colourful, traditional, something, photography works, traditional, black and something. Maybe make them a bit smaller so that we can see them. Traditional artwork and I'm assuming it says patterns and quoted designs. So I'm not really a fan of the cover art for all of this. I feel like they could be a bit better. It's very dark and hard to see what they are. Like that's, I think, trees. That's a creepy ass face. That's a plant. That's a lot of words. And this is some anime stuff. Anime is very popular here. I'm seeing a lot of anime in this video. Anyways, moving on. Your designs are solid. I mean, I'm personally not the biggest fan of your designs. That's my personal preference. Like, if anyone wore that, if I saw anyone wear that, I would just be like, oh my gosh, there is absolutely zero fashion sense going on in that person's brain. That would probably be better on a, I don't even know what, a t-shirt maybe? I don't know. Handsome guy, black and white acrylic, interesting. These looks like they're your piece of artwork, so that's cool. Yourself, you've got interesting designs. You've got a Christmas one there, but you don't seem to have a Christmas collection. That's a shame. I mean, you've got a Christmas. I saw a Christmas design a second ago. Merry Christmas. Make a Christmas collection. Christmas cute text clock. I feel like you could make a better title. Your titles aren't the best. You could update your titles, make them a bit more keyword rich. And then in terms of just your overall designs, I'm personally not the biggest fan. I feel like you could do better with your cup here. Change the thumbnail, the main image thumbnail, because at the moment this is just a grey cup. What is this, right? You got to click it to see what the design is, and then you've got to go in and click here. So make this one your main image. Life is a burning candle, right? That makes a lot more sense than that. But other than that, it's an okay store. My favorite part of your store is your cover art. I'm not a fan of that much else, but that's just me. It's a personal preference. You can't please everyone. Yeah, sorry. It's just the way it is. Like I said, I would improve your designs a bit, try and make them a bit better. Try and focus on what you're putting your designs on. Don't just, slap them on everything. For example, that does not work on leggings, right? An Egyptian cat eye should not be on leggings. What's this? Vintage tape coasters. That works, okay? Coffee makes special duvet cover. That no one's gonna use that. Like, you've got to really put that works as well. You've got to put your design on the right medium, on the right format. Otherwise, if you just slap your design on every single format, it will show up on your store. And when someone comes and looks at your store and they're like, oh, this doesn't look very good, and it doesn't look very good, they'll immediately move on, right? But if they just see the right designs on the right formats, they might stick around and pick some of them, right? So you want to really make good first impressions. So that is my advice. That is it, I think. Yep, that is it for today's Redbubble store review video. Again, let me know in the description down below if you're liking these videos. Don't leave your store link or anything, that's spamming, but just let me know in the comments down below if you're liking these videos, if you want me to continue making these videos, and if there's anything else you want me to make, let me know in the comments down below. And of course, before I end, please don't forget to smash the like button. Just hit it, smash it, annihilate it, punch it, whatever you want to do, just click it. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.